Greetings and welcome to this quick update for all of you running iOS 17.0 on all of your devices. You can see this official post by the developer. We have the new version for NathanLR Jailbreak, which supports iOS 16.5.1 through 16.7 RC, including iOS 17.0. This is not a full jailbreak but a semi-jailbreak, but it will run all of your compatible tweaks and everything just fine. You can see in this post we have this nicely written guide. You can simply hit it and follow it to install Troll Store. Installing Troll Store is required to use the new NathanLR jailbreak. You can either use Troll Restore or you can also use Troll Installer X. You will find these guides to install Troll Store in the description if you don't know how to. NathanLR is completely free and you can simply scroll to installing NathanLR, alright, on your device from Safari, and it will get you the TIPA file as you can see it right here. You can then install it using Troll Store and it looks like this. You can simply hit the bootstrap button here. Once complete, you will then hit the jailbreak button. Your device will respring and you will see Celio on your home screen. Once you open it, you can see the version here, iOS 17.0, and it is jailbroken. Now you can go to sources, add your favorite sources, and then install your favorite tweaks. That's all for this quick update regarding the new version of NathanLR. If in the future I have more information to share, I will definitely do it with you. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.